sit around pictures of mixed up emotions like oceans. Time passes slowly. Imaginations standing in Uruguay, Montevideo. I look out at sunshine and clouds falling. What if we ask? What if we touch? What if we see back the sun from before? What is such? Yes, I wonder. Because the story is coming soon. It is beginning, it is ending, it is in between. We ask questions. And we wonder how, and we are speaking from a time that is only before. And we ask questions. Potion. The journey through time. We are 2, 5, 25, 6,000 million people, voices, and motion. Because the story is coming soon. It is beginning, it is ending, it is in between. Sounds. Sonidos. Perfectos. Because moving images and sounds, vibrations from violins, piano, computer screens, facial expression of happy, of sad, of judgment. These are the meanings, these are the poems, these are... So the question is, what is the journey? Our journey. The path we choose. The attention we give. The times we live.